Hey, hello guys. So now what we are looking at, this is the finished product storage area. So you can see all these are different kinds of formulas of NPK, the plant fertilizer. Some of them are 15, 15, 15, and some of them are 18, 18, 18, and all kinds of different formulas. And then if we take a look here, you can see these are all piled up by using this automatic packaging line. So after the raw materials are being packaged, automatic packaged, and then we have the automatic packing machines. And then what follows up is this automatic palletizer. That this machine is able to put these fertilizers into sacks, so which can be transported using forklifts. So basically, this is the warehouse of the NPK plant fertilizer.